Now today we're going to be demonstrating Newton's first law of motion. Using the good old classic American way of demonstrating everything. Yeah, that looks to be in. Yes, I do have trigger safety. It's a baby. The glory of the coming of the Lord. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath are stored. He hath loosed the flame. So, this can, with the first law of motion, an object at rest stays at rest until it's hit by an outside force. Now, walking back here, we have the outside force. Literally outside. Now, this thing shoots BBs. When the BB is hit by air, it's in motion, and it will stay in motion until it hits the ground or the can. That was a missed first shot. I think I hit it. And I'm out of CO2. Let's go see if I did hit it. Well, it seems I did not. And it stayed at rest. Now I'm gonna go replace the CO2 and shoot at it again. Just so we can demonstrate when an object hits the other object. So I'll be back. Okay, I got myself some CO2. Now let's go see if this thing I can hit.
Oh, brother,
Recording and shooting is a very hard thing to do. I'm out. And no damage yet.
I love that. I'll be back.
Five minutes later.
Darn bottle. Thinks it's better than me. I'll show you. I'll show it. It's not even a bottle. It's a can. I'll show that can a thing or two. Yeah. Yeah. Just across me. Do that. I'll show it something. There.
Now it's time to show you that thing or two. I did it. I think I got it. Yeah. So, continuing about the laws of motion, when the BBs hit the bottle, there was an outside force hitting it, which caused it to fall off this thing. The BBs stopped because they hit the ground, which was an outside force. An object in motion stayed in motion until it hit something to stop it. Let's just get the bottle. Now it's time to demonstrate Newton's third law of motion.
Newton said for every action, there's always an equal and opposite reaction.
So, equal and opposite reaction. The force exerted from the gas in this magazine has an equal and opposite reaction when it's released. So the pellet goes flying out, and the slide comes back to hit me in my wrist, which equally distributes it. See? There. When the slide comes blowing back because of the air, the pellet is also moved out by the air, allowing it to be shot. Now, the force exerted by the pellet on the can also has an equal and opposite reaction. Because it was pressurized when the pellet entered the can, it made a reaction. And the reaction was to, well, do that. Yeah, take that can. Take that can. And so, that is the third law of motion. Take that. Stupid aluminum. Anyway, I think I did a good job of showing how the laws of motion work. Gun flip. Ill-advised, because, well, I'd never do that with a real firearm.